Hello, hello, hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday morning. Got my eye patches on and I want to do a little Sunday reset morning. I have a few things I want to do around the apartment. Need to update my budget, so figured today would be a great little Sunday reset and also a great time to talk about budgeting and the importance of having a budget. So let's get into it. So my eye patches are off and I just did some cleaning, unloaded the dishwasher, and got a few items listed on my Poshmark. So now it is time to bust open the laptop and do my weekly budget. So I'm gonna head over to the couch and kind of talk with you guys about budgeting. So I'm on the couch with my laptop and I'm about to do my budget. And I wanted to talk a little bit about budgeting because budgeting is not sexy, it's not glamorous, but it is one of the most important parts of any wellness and self-care routine. This is the kind of self-care stuff that people don't talk a lot about because it's not pretty, it's not sexy, right? Like, it's not glamorous to sit in front of your laptop and come up with a budget, update your budget, but it makes such a difference to feeling aware of what you're spending. It really helps you to be more mindful and intentional with your spending and helps you to create some kind of internal accountability system, which I just think is so important. So every single Sunday, I open up my laptop and go into my budget. And what that means is I will log into all of my different bank accounts. So like my personal account, my joint account with Matt, and my business account, and then my credit cards, and I will look at everything and I will manually update my budget, which I do inside of Google Drive. So to get super granular with you guys and show you like a real up close and personal. So here you see, here we've got, I'm already on row 4,668, you guys, because I've been doing this since 2015. But you can see here, product, category, subcategory, date, spent, bought where, card used. You can see I treated myself to a little Ilia Beauty, makeup, splurge, and then this was some apartment stuff. So this is just a little look at a few expenses, but just by having this spreadsheet and this way of organizing, it keeps me super accountable. It keeps me on top of my budget, super aware of what I'm spending. Yeah, just wanted to kind of talk a little bit about budgeting, show you guys, like pull the curtain back, show you guys a little look as to my process and how I do my budget. So I'm going to take the time right now to log into all my different cards and get this updated. Still doing my budget, but look who decided to come join me on the couch. This little snuggle bun. He's just a little snuggle bun. So I just got dressed for the gym. And I am gonna go down and do a short and sweet little workout. I wanna do just a little walk. Maybe I'll do a little bit of abs. We'll see when we get down there, but I'm gonna go do a quick workout. That workout was amazing and I just took a shower and got dressed wearing some Abercrombie black jeans, white bodysuit, and then this little tan sweater that I cropped. And if you guys saw my video on how I crop my clothing, you will know that I have been all about just like cropping some old sweaters that I was thinking about like getting rid of, but I've just been cropping and altering some clothes to like revive them and give them a second life. And so before I do my makeup, I am gonna make myself a little protein shake, make a little something to eat because I'm starving. So I'm getting ready to blend my smoothie, and next up for today's Sunday reset activity is laundry. Because I feel like every good Sunday reset has 3 critical elements to it. You get organized for the week, whether that is doing your budget like I do, setting out your outfits for the week, just looking through your to-do list. That is something that I always do. Fuel your body, hence this protein shake, and then get some things done around the house. So that was getting some cleaning done, and I'm gonna throw some laundry in while this is blending. We are killing it this morning. Like, I've gotten some time to relax and snuggle on the couch with Gouda, got in a 2-mile walk and a little bit of abs, went through my to-do list and kind of looked at my week ahead. I feel super organized and ready for that. Got some cleaning and organizing around the apartment done, so it's looking like really good. Got my laundry in, made a protein shake, fully dressed for the day, and now I'm gonna go do my makeup. So I just did my eyebrows, and I like brushed them up and made them darker, and I just think it's so funny how trends change over time. Because when I was a teenager, it's like just having eyebrows wasn't cool. Like, people's eyebrows were plucked so thin, and now full, like, dark, bushy eyebrows are the thing. I just think it's so funny how trends change so much over time. Also, pro tip, I just cleaned this little beauty blender. Ladies, do not forget to clean your beauty blenders. That is also a major part of a Sunday reset. Clean your brushes and your beauty blenders. My makeup is done. I am all ready for the day. Feeling so good. I did like some super fun eyeshadow. Let's see if I can like show you guys. Hold on. I wanted to kind of like make my eyeshadow like a sunset kind of, so I did like really dark on the ends and then like gold in the front. Hopefully you guys can see. Comment below if you like it. This might be my new little vlogging area because this is just the perfect little spot. I've got you guys on the ledge right by the window, so I've got the nice natural light coming in. I just like had a few things come to mind, so I figured why not share them with you guys, because I've just been feeling so grateful in moving into this apartment. And for years I have watched YouTube. I mean, I'm a YouTuber myself. I love making these videos, but for way longer than I started making videos, I watched videos on YouTube, and I saw people doing these Sunday reset videos, and for so long I watched these people and thought like, wow, how good for them, how cool that they have the confidence or the ability or the bravery or the desire to make these videos. And if you are someone who is watching this video right now and you have always felt like, wow, how cool is it that Julia is creating these videos, how cool that, you know, insert YouTuber makes these videos, and you've always wanted to do this, just pick up the camera and start. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III that I'm using. You can just get started with your iPhone. So many of my old videos were made just using my iPhone. Your iPhone is good enough to get started. And so I just wanted to kind of share that spirit of bravery and courage. It is not easy to put yourself out there and to start creating content. And it is especially difficult when we live in this society where social media is so dominant, and it's so easy to compare ourselves. It's so easy for me to compare myself to YouTubers that I admire, people with thousands of followers, hundreds of thousands of followers, millions of followers / subscribers. And it could be so easy for me to be like, you know what, I don't have the audience. I don't have the perfect house or the perfect aesthetic, perfect skin, whatever it is, insert excuse or reason for not showing up. but doing this makes me happy. It's an outlet for my creativity. I love getting to look back at these videos and see what I was thinking or wearing or doing. And so if you have felt pulled to start a YouTube channel, but you've got a whole bunch of reasons that your brain is telling you to not do it, I am here to refute all of those points and tell you that what you have right now is good enough to get started, and you have a message and a way of speaking and sharing this message that no one else can do except for you. So your content is good enough. Please, please, please just get started. So my camera battery died, but I got a few more things done after I was just like kind of sitting and hanging. I ate some food. Matt is back. You want to wave to the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
And Gouda says hi too. Right? You say hi to the vlog? Oh my God, you're so cute. You guys comment below if he's just the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, what's your dad making? I got changed into something just like a little bit of a heavier sweater. Matt and I are gonna go over to his mom's. We have a few things to grab from over there, and we were just figuring out what we're gonna make for dinner. And that's honestly such another big part to me of a Sunday reset, is thinking ahead to not only what you're gonna fuel yourself with that day, but starting to think ahead for the week, looking at what you have in your fridge, thinking about what you have coming up. Like for instance, I know that I work late every Tuesday, and just being mindful of, okay, what is the dinner that Matt and I, or Matt is gonna make on Tuesday. Thinking through all of those things before the week starts is just so helpful in getting yourself mentally ready for the week ahead, so that you're not spending that precious brain power and energy figuring out what you're eating every single night of the week. Right, Gouda?
Favorite television program is Franklin. My favorite sport is hockey. When I grow up, I want to be a hockey player.
What's this Jewish paper?
You know, they made us go to a traditional Seder, and we learned about Passover.
This is so funny.
Here they are. Here it is.
Yes, 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 yes.
I'm treated like a
wild boar. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Gonna play? Hey Walt, you're a good boy. Will you sit? Will you guys sit? Hey handsome bud. So Matt and I just finished going through some things at his mom's house. We found exactly what we were looking for. Just two things that we want to get framed to add to the gallery wall that we're going to be working on in the living room. And just getting to spend some time with Matt's mom and her boyfriend and the dogs. This has honestly been the perfect Sunday. I woke up without an alarm, got to have my tea and relax on the couch, got so many productive things done, from unloading the dishwasher to wiping down all the counters, tidying up my desk, getting laundry done. I did my budget. I took some photos for Instagram. So it's just been a perfect Sunday reset. So if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. And here's also what is like so funny to me about your perfect day. And again, I just won $350 million. We ended up claiming it that day. What kid knows dogs about claiming it?
That's very fair.
We ended up claiming it that day.
Here you go,
I was on the news and I took my family out to dinner. Isn't that so lucky of me? It's so cute. And I took my family out to dinner. Is this, wait, I want like the solo, the photo. That's so cute. You guys, is this not the best handwriting you've literally ever seen in your life? Oh my God. It's honestly so good. Even your like perfect bullets, your perfectly drawn bullets and your little like perfectly drawn stars and your arrows. Like, look at how good the arrows are. Wait, we need the vlog to focus. Oh my God, such good handwriting. Literally a dream.
The North
Oh, the North Face. I love this one. So good. Perfect little side notes too.
Okay, this is from 2013. We have Hillary Clinton and Elizabeth Warren, and then Christie, Cruz, and Paul. And the asterisk is very extreme, would cause a very polarizing election. Little did we know. Little did we know